Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to have a look at how to create templates and how to create folders within the templates feature. So first of all, what is a template? A template is a document that you set up and then you access through the File and New feature. You do not open a template unless you want to change the actual template. Now what a template is not is a file that is saved onto somebody's drive and then just copied and saved as. That is what a lot of people think templates are, and I think that's Microsoft's issue from 2010 when they made saving templates very difficult. But now it's back to how it was prior to 2010, a very simple process, file save as template, and then it goes in the templates folder, and then when you click on new you have these are the preloaded ones, office ones. You've got personal, and then you can see I've created a folder there, and if I open that there's another subfolder, and if I open that there is a double clicked on that one, there is a letter in there. I'll just do that again, personal, click, click. That is a document that I've created and put into that folder, and I've also created these two folders, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So if I just go back and just close this template down, because even though I opened that template called training, which just happens to be a blank piece of paper, it is now called document 6. It's not called training. So you're just opening a copy of training and then you save this as normal, not affecting the original document at all. So that's what we're going to do. So if I just close this down and get a blank document, let's say we want to do a quick memo as a template. So we've got two couple of spaces, from, date, subject, nothing too complicated, you'll get the idea. So that was auto text I did there, just three dashes and then enter, does auto text for you. So today's date, I'll put in the date. If I want the date to be automatic, I want that type of date, and it is ticked, so okay. And it's showing the code there, so I don't want the code. Just change that over. Alt F9 puts that back to show you the actual date. So that's all I want. I'll just color this in. I'll center this actually, make it bold, and put some shading around it so that we have our little template. So that's all I want. So this gets filled in as and when you use it. So now I just save that. So still Control S or save, file save as, but it's coming up as a Word document. And I want this to be a document template. So Word template. So now it comes to what is the default folder for templates, and there's mine that I've created. It's easy. Now if I go in there, there's all these subfolders. Now these subfolders don't show unless there's a document inside them. So if I go into sales and save this one into sales, save, you'll see what I mean. So that's the document template. If I close that, now I want to use that, I go file, new, it's under personal, and then it's easy, which is what I created. And now you can see sales and training. So before you could only see training, but now there is actually something in that folder, so it shows it. So this is a bit of the problem I think that a lot of people have. They know how to create folders, but because there's nothing in the folders, they don't show up. So you actually physically need to put something in there. So if I go into sales, there's the memo, open the memo, and now it says document 8. So if I just mess this one up, you get the idea. So I've messed that up. I want another one to go again, file, new, personal, it's easy, sales, memo, ready to go again, as if you just created it. So you are not damaging the original document. You're creating a copy of the original document, and only if you needed to edit this would you have to go into the template folder to open it, and then you can edit it. So if I just show you that, if I go into the Windows Explorer, if I open it's easy, and then sales, there's memo, and then I've just double clicked on that, so it opened it as a copy. So if I go back in there and right click on it, open, it opens memo, and then I can change this, for example, change the shaded area to something different. Control S, save. Control W, close that one. Go back into Word, close this down, close that down, don't want to save that. And then my memo should now have changed. If I go new, personal, it's easy, sales, open up memo, and then it has changed the copy. So this way is a safe way of creating company-wide stationery that people, users, cannot destroy, even on purpose or accidentally is usually the case. By people typing over the title and things like that, and then for everybody else using that, it's not correct. You get the idea where people will copy what they think is a template and put it onto their desktop. It's not a template, it's just a Word document. Now the template folders, if I go into file options, under save, you can set your default location, which I've done there. Now sometimes this folder here is hidden, so you have to activate that. And sometimes it defaults to documents templates. I'll just show you what it defaults to. I'll just cancel that off. So if I go into documents, you've got custom office templates in there, and that's where it defaults to. So I've changed the default by going onto the C drive, into users, me. There's it slightly shaded out. Looks, it's a hidden folder, app data, roaming, Microsoft, and then down the bottom there you've got templates, and there's it's easy. So if I create another folder inside there, so if I just go back to home, new folder, what can I call this? I've got finance, I'll call it admin. So we've got admin. So if I go into Word and just close this one down, get a new piece of paper and save this as a template file, save as. So it's going to be document template. I'll call this Steve. Now when I click on save, it's saved to this PC. Right, let's just go back into that. So I want to save as. So it's going into templates, but I don't want it to go there. I want it to go into, so there it is there, look. It's easy. And then I want it to go into admin and then save. So now it's saved into admin. So it says save to this PC. If this was on a network, your network location would be the default for templates, but the IT department can set this default location. It's quite easy to do. But now if I just type something, so there's something to look at, save, and then close. Now I should be able to get that by going File, New, Personal, going to It's Easy. There's admin. Now you can see admin. You can't see the other two folders that's in there, finance and whatever the other one was, because there's nothing in it. Go into admin, there's Steve, open Steve, and there it is. So that's basically how templates work. The only difference will be in an organization, the location will be set by your IT department, this location. But if you haven't got it set and that's coming up with the default location, you can just ask your IT, if you're a manager, for them to set up a location that you can all access from your own PCs through the network, and it is a very simple task. But that's all I wanted to talk about on this little module. I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.